for only 1 year in a Jesuit college. And the tradition of the Jesuits or the Society of Jesus is more than 500 years old. The college is named after one of the first Jesuits, St. Francis Xavier. He was known as a saint in a hurry. Today, 46 years is considered not even middle age.
Take photo.
But Francis Xavier died when he was only 46 years of age. And therefore, what are the 3 points that I would like you to take with you from the Jesuit institution? The first is this. You have to be, if you are a product of St. Xavier's College, a man and a woman of the marges. Does anybody remember the meaning of marges? Anybody remember the meaning of the Latin word marges? If you've forgotten, I'll tell you, it means more. It means greater. It means braver. It means faster. It means higher. So for you, as a student of St. Xavier's College, there is no limit. There is no stopping. You have to be a man or a woman of the margins. Go on and on and on and on, because you can jump higher, you can be braver, you can run faster, you can be better, you can be more. The second, something which I learned from my own father and which I want to share with you, which I shared yesterday: live in the present moment. Do not think too much about the future. We can plan the future. Yes, I want to do my MBA, I want to do my PhD, I want to do my cost accountancy, I want to do my AICWA, I want to do my chartered accountancy. Good to plan. But don't think of chartered accountancy now when you are doing your BCom. Don't think of the results when you are doing your studies. The Bhagavad Gita speaks of Nishkama Karma. Nishkama Karma means I am in the present moment, Vartamana. I am neither in the bhut, in the past, not in the bhavishya, in the future. Parantu, I am in the now. So when you are studying, I am not thinking of the first class of distinction. No, I am thinking of my studies. That's all you need to do. And believe me, if you are doing what you are meant to do, study at that moment. Even if God were to say, I want to call you, I want to take you to myself, you are ready to go. And the third and the final point, if you have been in St. Xavier's College for 3 years, you have to be in some way a man and a woman for others. If you are going to leave St. Xavier's College and you want to think only about yourself, hey maza aahe, hey to mera hai, if you're going to think in that way, then somehow you have not grasped the essence of the Jesuit way of education. You have to be for yourself. Yes, I must concern about myself, but not only that. In a country in which 80% and more of our people are poor, you cannot be concerned about yourself alone. So this is my challenge to you as you leave the hallowed institution of St. Xavier's College, to be first a man and woman of the marges, to be in the present moment, in the now, and to be a man or a woman for others. MPM or M